Hello guys, welcome to this video. So I will show you in this video how to generate custom QR codes with custom colors from raw text. You will see that we also can provide a logo as well. So I will show you a package which does this process in React.js. So we have this, you can also save it as an image, as a PNG image. So your custom QR code has been exported to an image as well. So the package which we are using is just go to npmjs.com and just search for this package React and I think React QR code logo. So just search for this package. So I think this is actually the package. It's a typical React.js component to generate a customizable QR code. Almost it has 49,000 weekly downloads, 64,000, sorry. And this is actually the command. I have already installed it. So now I'll be showing you this example. So just make a simple functional component. So I will just show you from scratch. So I will type it step by step. So first of all, you do need to import this. So after making the functional component, just use the import statement to actually import this. So we have this method available, which is QR code, which will be coming from React QR code logo. So now inside to display this, so you'll simply use this component inside the div. You will give it a style. You will align this into center position, and after this will be having a simple h1 heading which will custom QR code with logo, and then we'll be using this component which is QR code, and this takes some options. So if you don't pass some options, you will see this output a simple QR code. So it now has some options to pass. Here you can specify the value of this QR code. So I will just say it should redirect the user to google.com. You can even provide text, phone number, anything. And then you can control the sizing as well. If I provide 90 inside integer value, then the size will be like this. You can provide higher value 500, so it will be larger. So here you can control the sizing, and then we have the color here, foreground color. You can control it. So I just need this color, and then you can control the background color. I can control, let's suppose I give this red color. Typically the background color should be white, so I will just give it a white color, and the foreground color will be the black color. So but you can customize accordingly whatever you need to do. You can change it the combination like this, so it totally depends upon you. And then it also takes an option for specifying the logo. If you do have a logo of your company, you can provide your own logo as well. So I think you can provide it from internet as well if you have the logo URL. So I will just, you can even provide your own logo. So you just need to specify the address here, and it will put this logo inside your QR code. You can specify the height of the logo and the opacity of the logo as well, and remove QR code behind logo. There is option, this option as well. Logo padding, you can specify 10. So we have all these properties right here. Eye color you can control. QR style is dots. So it will look something like, if you want to change it to dots, so in this way. So default will be the square circles. You can even control this as well. So we put this logo right here. If you see, the logo is appearing right here. So in this way, And then you can even just put some custom styles as well by providing a style property, just shifting it from the margin top 20 pixel. This is actually the overall package, guys, which supports all the options available. And lastly, you can save this QR code as a PNG image as well. So this is actually the package. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.